I'm going to teach you how to belly dance with just one simple move and a couple of variations so that you can start belly dancing right now or in the club tonight. Stay with me. Marhaba, I'm belly dancer Jensuya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dance. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a basic belly dance step. In fact, I think this move is the foundation of belly dance because so many other moves are based on this one. Then you can use this step to start dancing immediately to belly dance music or any of your favorite dance music. I'll demonstrate the move in all of its jazzed up glory. Then we'll peel off the layers and get down to the essence of the move, teaching you step by step from the ground up so that you can learn the move even if you think you might be rhythm challenged. Although there's no standard nomenclature or naming of moves in belly dance, most belly dancers, including myself, call this move step touch. Step touch is also a move that's done in hip hop or other dances like line dancing, but what makes this version belly dance is the posture that you're in and what you're actually doing with your body when you're doing the step portion and the touch portion of the move. Now we're going to break down the move from the ground up. If you find that this is going too slowly for you, you can go to our other video in the beginner workout drills and go to the workout for step touch where we move along a little bit quicker. In this one, we're going to go slowly as if like you know nothing about dance so that you can build a good strong foundation. Don't worry about getting your posture or any of that correctly. You can check out our videos on that later. And don't worry about left or right. Just face me and mirror what I'm doing because we're going to do the same thing on both sides. So we're going to start out by counting to 4 and stepping just right in place. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All I'm doing is making sure that I'm with the beat of the music, which is right now just our counting. Keeping it very steady, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3, and 4. Because this is not step, step, it's step, touch. What we're gonna do is take one step and then the other foot, instead of taking a step, we're gonna just touch the toes to the floor. All of our weight is on the foot we took the step on. Then after we touch, we're gonna step onto that foot and touch the other one. Again, I break this down in even more detail on our technique video, and if this is going too slow, you can head over to the workout and just follow along and do it. But we're going to count again to the 4s, to 4, doing step, touch, and we're going to alternate with chanting step, touch, step, touch. Super easy here, probably, but saying the move and the count as you're learning something really easy teaches you how to teach yourself and internalize the beat and the rhythm, which is key to becoming a great belly dancer. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, touch, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, touch, step, touch. I'm going to bend my knees now as I'm doing it and stay bent. Again, you can check out the other video. And I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me. Step and touch, step and touch. I'm going to lean back a little bit. Step and touch. To the front, step and touch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're getting there, but this is still really about our feet, isn't it? And in belly dance, it's more about the hips and the abdomen. So what we're going to do, instead of thinking of that toe on the touch, we're going to think of that toe as being a pivot point, and we're going to twist our hips forward. So we're going to go step, twist, step, and twist, step, and twist, step, and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and twist, step and twist. I can still say step, touch, because that's what my count is. My knees are bent. I've got a nice lifted chest. You can check out later on in detail the technique for our posture and for this move. But here's what we're doing. If this is enough for you right now and you just want to practice this, go to the belly dance beginner drills and do the workout on just the step touch. Bob will be playing the drum, we'll count the music, we'll chant the rhythm, and we'll just practice this. If you want to learn the variations, we're going to do those right now. The first variation that we're going to do with this move is, rather than staying in place like this, we're going to turn around in a circle, which means that when we take the step is when we change direction. So in other words, I'm going to go step, touch, step, touch. Then I can turn a different direction, doesn't matter what it is, step on it and touch. I can turn back and touch, step, touch. Now turn with the step and touch. Let's try it together. Step, touch, turn, step and touch, turn, step and touch. So we can just practice just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just turning, and I can do it, you can do it in random, or you can develop a little pattern. So you're playing your favorite music and you're just moving along. And I'm turning side to side. So here I'm just doing the same move, and the variation is what? It's just turning. And I'm doing that turn when I take the step. Instead of taking the step in one spot, I just move around. And so right there, one simple move, one little variation. There we go. First thing, look like a belly dancer right from the start. The second variation is to add the arms in. Now this is a little bit more challenging because you're coordinating moving the lower half of your body with your upper half. You'll notice that in that variation, I pretty much kept my arms here. I can also keep them up here. So another variation is to move your arms. So we can go step, touch, step, look at my arms, down low like this. Or I can bring them up here into what I call basic, right? And then we can turn it, bring them down, kind of framing the hips, bring them back up. So there's another variation. So right there, brand new beginning belly dancer, and you've got, in essence, 3 moves in one. And the final and simple variation you can do is to what we call travel with the move. We can walk forward, walk back, to the side, around the room. And it's the same concept as when we're turning. It's when we're taking the step, we would move with it like this. So step, touch, moving forward, step, touch, moving forward, step, touch, moving back, step, touch, moving. How about side? How about side? Or the other side? You can just kind of play with it. So we're moving, traveling forward, traveling back. And I'm keeping this small because I want to stay in the frame so you can see. But if you have a big space, it's really fun to just move all around the dance floor. To cover more space, take bigger steps. So, I know, sounds really easy, takes a lot of practice. Have fun with the practice. So we're going to do moving back, and then moving to the side, turning around, coming forward, going back, to the side, to the side, to the side. Now let's try it with some dance music. to continue your belly dance lesson, do next a workout, one of our 5-minute workouts on step touch, this move that we've just learned. Then you can go to the playlist of techniques, learn another move, do the workout for that one. You can keep going with that. There's tons of them on there. After that, you can go to the playlist on costuming where you can learn how to make this crop top out of a t-shirt without sewing. You can learn how to make this hip scarf and beat it, 2 different videos, also out of t-shirts without sewing. And there's also another variation on the hip scarf. You can go to the playlist of how new to belly dance start here, which teaches you all different aspects about belly dance, like what a hafla is. You'll see me in the very early days of belly dancing and my progression. There's performances. You can mirror those, watch those, leave me a comment, let me know about your belly dance journey, and Masalama, we'll see you on the next video.